Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We will learn about kitchen vocabulary in English with pictures. So let's start the video. Apron, bottle, blender, bowl, corkscrew, bottle opener, butter knife, mixer, pressure cooker, microwave, colander, juicer, cutlery, chopping board, cup, kettle, stove, burner, dish rack, funnel, dishwash, scrubber, pan, jar, grater, kitchen towels, spoon, fork, peeler, knife, whisk, tea strainer, nutcracker, rolling pin, mortar, pestle, ladle, skimmer, saucepan, spatula, milk can, lid. Now next one is cupboard, cupboard, glass, glass, potato masher, lemon squeezer, griddle, griddle, container, fridge, fridge, dispenser, toaster, toaster, fruit basket, plates, plates, tray, tray, oven gloves, jug, jug, napkin, measuring spoons, measuring cup, cleaver, casserole dish, broom, sponge. Thanks for watching.